Long-Range Locator LRL System Single Person. The Long-Range Locator LRL system is designed to detect buried objects from a distance, using advanced technology to locate treasures or metals without needing to physically probe the ground. This system is ideal for covering large areas quickly. It works by emitting radio wave signals and detecting any response from metals or objects in the vicinity. The LRL system is user-friendly and can be operated by a single person, making it convenient and efficient for individual use. Assembly. To use the LRL Single Person system, begin by connecting the Geo unit to the main unit using the supplied Geo connection cable. The Geo unit should be placed firmly into the ground, ensuring it's planted at least 10 centimeters deep for proper signal reception. Search system settings and options. After powering on the device, access the main menu and select the LRL system. From there, you can adjust key settings such as Mode. Choose single mode for one user. Target. Select the type of metal or object you are searching for, including options like gold, silver, iron, copper, and more. Soil. Adjust the setting based on the soil type. Normal, dry, rock, wet, etc. to enhance detection accuracy. Distance. Set the maximum distance for your search, ranging from 50 meters to 3,000 meters depending on the area and your ability to target locating. Depth. Set the maximum depth for your search, ranging from 1 meter to 50 meters depending on the area and your ability to digging. How to use. To use the LRL system, first ensure that the connection is established between the main unit and the LRL device. The screen will display a connected message when successful with a sound that plays that long-range device connected from the main unit. Once connected, hold the rods and move in the area choosing one of this two ways. 1. Zigzag path. The user must advance according to a zigzag shape as shown in the line drawn in the following figure from north to south, following the direction of rotation of the rods in case there is a target. In this type of search, the user must move according to the mentioned path. We note that the direction of rotation of the rods is concentrated according to a specific point with more progress towards the supposed target. This point is the location of the buried target. To make sure of the exact location of the target, it is preferable for the user to repeat the above-mentioned process from different directions towards the point that was first identified. If the found point is confirmed, this point X is an assumed location for the potential target. 2. V-shaped path. After finding the mentioned point X in the previous paragraph and to make sure that the target exists, that is, the target is real and the signals are not false, then the user must move from point X a few meters towards the north and identify a new point A, and then advance towards the south of the point A according to the right and left sides of the point X, as shown in the picture below. The rods will either cross or tilt towards the target, indicating its presence. This method allows users to efficiently cover large areas and locate metal objects or treasures.